The effects of botulinum cyanide anthrax on the human body. Botulinum is produced by the bacteria Clostridium botulinum. Botulinum can occur during infant colonization in the digestive tract, ingestion, or an entry through a wound or abrasion on the skin. Once the neurotoxin enters the body, it paralyzes the nerves by interfering with the release of acetylcholine so the nerves cannot stimulate the muscle to contract, and eventually the respiratory system shuts down. Botulism can be treated by cooking the spores at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. This process kills the spores and prevents them from growing. If the disease is not treated in time, it will result fatally. Cyanide is produced by the cyanide ion CN-. Cyanide poisoning can occur by inhalation or ingestion. The poison is most commonly used as a biological warfare weapon, but it can be created in a fire that burns rubber, plastic, or silk. Cyanide ion halts cell respiration by holding back the enzyme in the mitochondria called the cytochrome C oxidase. This prevents the cells of the body from getting oxygen. The outcome of this causes a coma with seizures and cardiac arrest, along with the many cells that have died. The long-term effects of this are major heart and brain problems because they use a lot of oxygen. If the disease can be treated, a cyanide antidote kit is used to prevent the spread of the poison. Then the stomach would be washed out thoroughly with a tube that travels down the throat into the stomach. Anthrax is caused by the spore-forming bacterium Bacillus anthracis. It can enter the body through the skin, inhalation, and ingestion. The infection begins in the mediastinum and produces toxins that kill the surrounding cells. The toxins soon spread throughout the body, affecting organs and causing organ failure. Once the organs fail, the disease has become fatal. If the poison is inhaled, the spores make their way to the alveoli. White blood cells within the alveoli, called macrophages, eat the spores. The spores then grow into bacteria, and the macrophages carrying the spores travel into the lymphatic system. Soon the bacteria multiplies rapidly, killing more cells. A skin infection can be treated with antibiotics such as penicillin and doxycycline. It is normally treated within 10 to 14 days and rarely results fatally. Inhalation and ingestion infection should be treated immediately after exposure. It usually requires a hospital stay with antibiotic treatment lasting up to 60 days. In conclusion, all of the poisons enter the body as infectious bacteria, and they soon grow and reproduce. Most of the time, an infection is accidental, but unfortunately some of the poisons are used as biological weapons in war because of how quick and effective they are. Each of the 3 poisons are extremely harmful and could be fatal if not treated in time.